Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can an off-duty police officer pull you over? The short answer is yes, but it's a lot more complicated than that. A police officer's authority doesn't just switch off when their shift ends. Legally, they are considered a peace officer 24/7 within their jurisdiction, which is their specific city, county, or state. This means they have the power to make arrests and enforce the law even in their personal car and civilian clothes. However, just because they can doesn't mean they always should. Most police departments have very strict policies about when an off-duty officer should take action. They aren't going to pull you over for having a taillight out or for going 5 miles over the speed limit. Off-duty interventions are reserved for serious situations that pose an immediate threat to public safety. Think about major offenses like a suspected drunk driver swerving all over the road, extremely reckless driving, or witnessing a serious felony in progress, like a kidnapping or an armed robbery. In these cases, the officer has a duty to act. So, what should this look like? An off-duty officer in their personal vehicle won't have flashing lights and sirens. They should try to get your attention, and once you've stopped, they must clearly identify themselves as a police officer. This means showing you their badge and official identification. Their first and most important action will be to call 911 and request an on-duty, uniformed officer in a marked patrol car to respond to the scene. This is for everyone's safety, yours, the public's, and their own. Now, here's the most important part. What should you do if an unmarked car is trying to pull you over? It is completely reasonable to be concerned about police impersonators. Your safety comes first. Do not just pull over on a dark, empty road. The first thing you should do is slow down and turn on your hazard lights. This signals to the officer that you see them and intend to comply. Then, with your hands on the steering wheel, use your cell phone to call 911. Tell the dispatcher your exact location, that you are being followed by an unmarked car attempting to stop you, and ask them to verify if it is a legitimate officer. While on the phone with 911, continue driving slowly and safely to a well-lit, public area like a busy gas station, a grocery store parking lot, or even the local police station. A real officer will understand your caution. Once you're stopped in a safe place, keep your hands visible and calmly explain that you called 911 to verify their identity. To sum it up, yes, an off-duty officer can pull you over, but it's almost always for a very serious reason. They must identify themselves, and their priority is to get a uniformed officer to the scene. You have the right to ensure your own safety by calling 911 and driving to a public place. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos that help you understand your rights and the law. Stay safe out there.